I don't know what you want.
She has sharp claws. I cut Buddy. She has sharp claws.
Don't you dare bite me. Hey. Sophie. Sophie. Ow! Thank you, bud. You bit my ass, you bitch. Hey. She's over here. She's over here digging in my butt. Hey. You're a bitch.
She's just in heat. She just wants you to pet her.
Yeah, well, we saw how well that one went. We went, "Meow."
Yeah, we went to Movie Tavern.
We ordered a Coke and iced tea. They got the order wrong, gave it to us backwards. She got chicken strip basket with ranch. I got it with honey mustard. They gave her the one with honey mustard and gave me the one with ranch.